So let us go further. Okay. Now, if I consider buoyancy, okay, why does buoyant force come? Very important. What is buoyancy? Buoyancy is the upward thrust which is coming. If you put something into water, there is upward force which is seen. Correct. So, what is buoyancy? If I say the definition of buoyancy, buoyancy is upward force. Buoyancy is upward force experienced by any submerged body. By any submerged body, it is the upward force experienced by any submerged body. Now, why this upward force is experienced is important. What is the reason for this buoyancy? The reason for this buoyancy is pressure difference. Pressure difference between the top and the bottom of the body is responsible for this buoyant force. How? We will see. See, for example, if I have a body like this, okay, we will take a rectangular body for our reference, okay, because that's easy for us to analyze this. So let us take a rectangular one here, and then let me say, okay, I'm not very good at this. Fine, perpendicular. Fine. So let us take this area as dA. Okay. If I consider the forces over here, these forces are balanced because this force depends on the depth. It is straight, so it's balanced. Whereas forces from the down and here, this is not balanced. So this I will say F top and I'll say F bottom. Correct. What is F top? F top depends on, say, I will say this is H and this is, I can say, okay, this is the length, I'll say L. Correct. Don't worry about the notations. Notations always can be different for different things. What is FT? FT is rho GH into dA. And what is F bottom? F bottom is rho GH into rho GH plus L into dA. Correct. So top there is a force, bottom there is a force. Now, what is the net force in the vertical direction? If I consider net force in the vertical direction, if we consider the net force in the vertical direction, it is Ft. Okay, if I consider this as positive direction, if I consider this as positive, direction is positive, then it is Fb minus Ft. So what is that? Fb minus Ft. If you do, you will see rho gh and rho gh cancels. What remains? Rho g L into dA. Correct, students? This rho is of what? This rho is of the liquid or the fluid. This density is of the fluid. Correct? This density of the fluid. Correct? So rho g L into dA. What is L into dA, students? It's the volume. So what is this? Rho g into volume. What is this? Rho g into volume. It is the weight of the displaced liquid. So what is this? Rho g into volume is weight of the displaced fluid. That's it. So what does this mean? Upward force which is experienced is equal to weight of the displaced fluid. So easy. What is the reason for that? The pressure difference between the top and the bottom. Easy. Understood, students? Why buoyancy is caused? Things are very simple. Fine. This is something I know you would have done it from your PUC or even your 10th standard, is it not? Clear? Write this down, and if you have any doubts, you ask. The number of questions on buoyancy which is asked in these exams. Tomorrow will be all the problems from GATE, okay? But that requires your conceptual knowledge.
Sir, FB2 would be in the downward direction, no?
No, FB would be up, is it not? Why it would be down? Pascal's law. Force acts in all the direction. The pressure force is equal in all the direction. We are not worried. So if I say this is a particular element I'm considering, on this surface, pressure doesn't act like this. It is not a pulling force, it's pushing force. Correct? So do not think that the pressure will act over here like this. No, it does not act like that. Here the pressure will act this way, fine. But on this side, the pressure will act upwards. Because at a point, pressure acts equally in all the direction, Pascal's law. Correct? Now, if I had two connected surface, for example, this one, say this is A, B, C, D, E, F. So if I draw the free body diagram of A, B, C, D, I have to write this free body diagram like this. What about the free body diagram of C, D, E, F? It would be like this and this. Correct? Agreed? I hope it's clear,
Yeah, yeah,
students.
got it, sir.
Yes, very
Yeah,
good.
but I'm not getting how the force in B includes L.
Very important. Because what happens is, what is the pressure over here? Pressure over here acts because of this distance. This is rho g h, is it not? Pressure depends on the depth. Correct? The depth is h plus L. Correct? Agreed? H plus L is the depth, is
Yeah,
it
yeah,
not?
sir.
I want your response. I want your response. Okay? Clear? Is it clear?
Yeah, sir. I'm just looking to it.
Okay? You got why
So I'm
H
just
plus L is
looking to
there?
it.
See, in the classroom environment, what happens, I can see your faces and I can guess that you have understood. Okay. Here I cannot guess. Your verbal thing is important. Okay. Fine. Everybody is clear. Very important, very easy concept. Sometimes we don't know that and we make a silly mistake and people think we are less intelligent. No, we are not less intelligent. We don't know. That's it. We don't know because maybe we have not put our efforts. Okay. Or maybe we are not been told. Easy. Anybody else? Basic concept.